Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Sony TV HDMI no signal. So you might see this type of error in front of you. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply try these methods. First, you just have to try this general troubleshooting method in which you need to make sure that the correct input is selected on your TV. So on your TV remote, you just have to press the input button to toggle through your input connection options to ensure the correct connections is selected. You can also check the back or the side of the TV to identify which port the cable from your source device is connected to your TV, and then make sure the input selection on your TV is the same. You can also view it in this image as well for better clarity. Next, you need to make sure that your connected device, that can be the cable box, satellite receiver or anything, is turned on and not in the standby mode. You just have to simply turn your connected devices off and then back on. Third thing, you can turn your TV off and then back on. So these are some of the general troubleshooting methods that you can try in order to fix this issue. If none of the method is working for you, then you can even try some of the other methods in which you can try to work with the cable box or the satellite, or you can even check the antennas connections. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.